California, ain't there? No, it's going to be Gopper's residence site is going to be on the right. The sign should be on the left. I think I see that Goppers right there. I see that flat land. There's almost a road right there. Pardon me?
There's a green marker.
Right. That might be it. That's what we're going to do. We're heading over to that side right now. Because you see the current is going to come around this bend. So the heaviest is where we're at right now. You know, the heaviest current. So we're going to go to that side over there, follow that side. See the road? So we're wanting to get to like 63-ish.